Okay, this is test number 2 of spooling the engine up with the starter only, without the fuel control unit hooked up. I'm just checking for oil pressure, and I've now got a tachometer hooked up to it so I can test, make note of the RPM. And this is a fresh battery. Okay, that got up to about 13,000 engine RPM. Oil pressure was still pretty low at about 10 psi. Earlier in tests, we were getting about 25 psi and about 38,000 RPM, but that was not turning over the engine, that was just turning over the gearbox.